Hi, my name is Chris Addis. I work for Amazon Studios. I am a senior media services manager in the post-production wing of said studio. I'm here at IBC 2024 with boats behind me and water, and it's lovely. And the show has been an interesting time, a very productive, specifically and no surprise to anybody watching this, AI-related technologies. In particular, QC seems to be sort of the newer thing that they're talking about a lot these days, whether it be for ratings or compliance or what have you. It's very much something that is top of mind for folks in order to be able to do things more efficiently. So that's been a really fascinating part of this show. Another thing that I found particularly interesting, and I kind of always do, even though I'm not on the production side or even an operator of said machines, but I think all the new technology, physical technology, is really interesting. Cameras I always get a kick out of watching, and jib arms and all the weird stuff, drone things and what have you. So it's all good times. So